Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CapCut templates for TikTok edits step by step clearly. To download CapCut templates for TikTok edits, start by opening your CapCut app. Navigate to the main screen where you create new projects. Look for the templates option, usually found at the bottom menu. Tap on templates to explore various options available. Browse through the templates or use the search bar to find a specific one. Once you find a template you like, tap on it to view more details. This page will show a preview of the template along with its features. If you want to use this template, look for the Use Template button and tap on it. The app may prompt you to confirm your selection. Proceed by tapping Confirm. After that, the template will load into your editing workspace. Once loaded, you can start modifying the template to fit your TikTok content. Add your videos, music, or any text elements you want to include. When you're satisfied with your edits, tap on the Export button. Select the resolution and quality settings that suit your needs. Wait for the app to process your project. Once completed, your video is ready for export. You can choose to save it to your device or directly upload it to TikTok. With these steps, you're ready to elevate your TikTok edits using CapCut templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.